Hi, at DSP we believe investing has to be backed with science, numbers, discipline and processes, because after all we are managing our hard-earned money and your hard-earned money. All of these concepts are very difficult for most of us. Human beings find it difficult to stay rational because emotions can affect each one of us, including the best of investors. And why not? After all, money is an emotional idea. Some find hope in it, some find confidence, some take it to mean freedom. Clearly, it means different things to different people. We joined hands with the India Film Project to showcase how emotions drive decision making. Hopefully, highlighting the point that while life is all about emotions, good investing is all not about emotions. This is our project to showcase the emotions of money, and I invite all of you to watch these short films made by some brilliant, hardworking young filmmakers. And don't forget, when it comes to investing, stay unemotional. Enjoy these movies. Thank you.
Stories are the most powerful, memorable and therefore effective ways of communicating new ideas. When we first thought about giving out what money means to you as the theme to our community, we were like, what? People don't even talk about money and emotions in the same breath. I haven't seen a single video that talks about the feelings behind money. Hacks, yes. Gyan and tips, yes. But feelings and emotions, never. This was that chance for us to create such content. And we knew we had to do this with DSP Mutual Fund.
What makes it more special that these stories aren't fabricated by some copywriters at an agency. These are 15,000 people thinking collectively who felt in 15,000 different ways about money. We saw over 550 plus short films describing in their own way the emotions that money invoked. And the most interesting thing, each of these films were made in just under 50 hours. Now, isn't that amazing?
So when we got the theme, I was really excited as a filmmaker, but a little taken aback as a storyteller. I mean, I thought I knew about money. Who doesn't want more, right?
Frankly speaking, I never really sat down and thought about how I truly felt about money. But when it came down to it, like my entire team had to introspect a lot to find the real emotions and the right ideas.
It seemed so easy to begin with. When we started to discuss the ideas and we got the topics, we realized how multidimensional money is and how everybody could feel differently about it. There's so many emotions involved with it.
Very common, like maybe even a wrong belief that all money equals to is happiness. But when we actually scripted, we found out that us humans connect to almost every emotion to money at some time or the other.
Happiness, pride, joy, sadness, jealousy, positives, negatives, it's got everything.
This is what makes for beautiful storytelling. And honestly, it's not just our film. I loved the hundreds of entries that came over from all across India. Every story was so unique, so rare, and I think that's just beautiful.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.